Today we're going to learn about the points of sail. The objective for today is students should be able to identify the points of sail and where the sail should be for each point according to the wind. So, first off, does anybody remember how to tell where the wind's coming from?
Do you look at the trees sometimes?
Yeah, good. So we can see the wind in the trees, and by looking at the trees, we can sometimes tell where the wind is coming from. Okay, so for our purpose, the wind is going to be coming from that direction today, and it's blowing this way. Okay. So the points of sail are really just where your boat is and how far your main sheet should be pulled in according to where your point's hauled. Is when your boat is really close to the wind and your main sheet's all the way in, but it's not in irons. So you're still moving, but your boat is all the way really tight, close to the wind. Next is close reach. So that is when your boat is still pretty close to the wind, but not quite as close as close hauled. And the points of sail differ depending on what kind of boat you're sailing and how far upwind you can point. Next is a beam reach. So, Charlie, can you tell me what a beam reach is?
It's when you're directly perpendicular to the wind.
Perfect. And what about a broad reach? You know a broad reach?
It's going at 90 degrees. No, it's going diagonal away from the wind.
Yep, that's good too. As you can see on my diagram here, when you point right into the wind, when the nose of your boat is in the wind, then you're in irons. If you're a little bit to the side of the wind on either side, then your boat is close hauled. And where should your main sheet be when your boat is close hauled? Does anyone know?
All the way in.
Good job, Charlie. Okay, so the next is close reach, right here. So can you slide? Okay, so next there's close hauled, and you can see from the diagram there's 6 main points of sail: irons, close hauled, close reach, beam reach, broad reach, and run. So our theme of today is running a marathon. So you're running away from the wind when you're on a run. So when the wind is coming from this way, you're going to be going this way on a run, and your sail should be exactly exactly perpendicular to the boat. Okay, so that's mostly the points of sail. So just remember, close hauled, close reach, beam reach, broad reach, run. Now we're going to play a game. Okay, so now I'm going to explain the game to you, which we're going to play next. Over there are X's in a circle, and there's an arrow pointing from where the wind's coming from. Each X represents a point of sail. So you should know which X is according to where the wind is coming from, because they're in an order: close hauled, close reach, beam reach, broad reach, and run. So you guys are all going to stand where the wind's coming from, and I'm going to stand there the whole time. And I'm going to say a point of sail, and then you're going to have to run to the point of sail. And whoever runs to the point of sail is right, and then they know that point of sail.
Do we get a prize?
Yeah, the prize at the end, each person gets a medal. Like, if you run a marathon and you finish the marathon, you get a medal. So if you finish this, you get a medal.
Okay.
Okay, so let's start. Everyone, let's go over to the game court and we'll play points of sail game.
Okay.
Can I go first? Everyone goes at the same time.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so first, let's go
run because the wind is coming right behind us right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job. Okay, next let's go to close reach. Good job. And know that close reach is on both sides. So that could be a close reach also, and so could that. Okay. Next, let's go to broad reach. Good job. Everyone got it again. Okay, how about we go to close hold? Oh, sorry, you got the wrong one. That's a run. Close hold, remember, is when you're going close right up to the wind.
It's okay, you might still get a medal.
That's not the right one either. That's close reach. Yeah, that's close hold. Good job. Okay, good job. So everybody gets a medal, and Olivia gets the gold medal since she got all of them right.
Oh, way to go, Liv.
Good job. Congratulations, everyone. Okay, now let's go back to the classroom to review what we learned. Okay, so the first one, irons. That's when your boat is exactly into the wind. And where should your sail be, Charlie, when your boat is in irons? Or where is the sail?
It's right down the center.
And is it full or is it flapping?
It's flapping.
Good job. You. Okay, next is close hauled. And where's your boat when it's in close hauled, Libby? Do you remember? That's okay. Okay, close hauled is when your boat is really close to the wind and your main sheet's all the way in, but it's not in irons. This is the boat. And when your sail is luffing like this, do you remember what that is, Liv?
No.
Okay, that's called irons. When the wind is coming right directly to the boat and the boat isn't moving, the sail's just flapping, it's called irons. Okay, next, let's go to the next point of sail. When the boat has a sail and it's all the way in, and the wind is coming from. Whoops. Redo. The wind is coming from here. That boat is close.
Close off.
Good job. Okay. The next one's close reach. Okay. So, next, your main sheet should be pretty close to all the way in, but not quite. That's what your sail should look like. And the wind would be coming from probably right here. Now, what do you think that is?
Close reach.
Perfect. Okay. And let's let this one be our last one. Your sail's all the way 90 degrees out, and the wind is coming from this way behind it.
Run?
Yeah, perfect, because remember, you're running away from the wind, right? Okay, so that concludes our lesson for today. Do you have any questions on the material we learned?
No.
Okay, good job.
When do we get to go sailing?
Tomorrow or later today, you can have your land or your water lesson, and you can go out sailing and you can practice where your sail should be for the wind.
Thank you, Teacher Megan.
You're welcome.
I've been waiting